Hi, my name is Sudeshna and I'm from Manipal Institute of Communication. I did my S plus 3.5 years back, and when you talk about media, it's so much of stress, so much of competition, so much of glamour. 3 years back, even I was like that. But after I did S plus, I've learned to believe in myself. I used to always think how people are going to judge me. I used to always think, oh, what will this one tell, what will that one tell? But I think after I did the course, I am more natural, and that is what makes me different from others.
Hi, my name is Shilpa. I'm an architect by profession, and a few years ago I came across this workshop called Yes Plus. I was an all-rounder and I thoroughly enjoyed doing many things in my life at the same time, but I realized at the end of everything I would just feel so tired. Though I had the will to do a lot, I did not have the energy to support. When I did the Yes Plus workshop, I was bubbling with energy and enthusiasm, and the same 24 hours in a day had so much more. The quality of time that I spent with my colleagues, with my friends, with my family improved tremendously. I would recommend every intelligent youth to go for it.
You know, it was a big no-no from my side when it came to Yes Plus. And I was like, who would do all this stuff? Yogas and pranayams? No, thank you. But I joined the workshop and I had an amazing time of my life. You know, it has enhanced my skills in so many ways. And from a no confidence girl to the feeling of walking like a queen on the roads, from a person who wouldn't talk to a person sitting next to me to the person who can just go in public and speak like anything. I feel so nice when I see a glint in my parents' eyes and they say that, yeah, this is my girl. Love, compassion, friendship, happiness, health, joy, enthusiasm, everything came my way when I said yes to Yes Plus.
Hi, my name is Saurabh. I'm a national level silver medalist in table tennis. I'm also doing my final year engineering in Vivekanand College from Bombay. The tragedy with me was I wanted to achieve a lot of things in life, but I didn't have time to do any of those. But thanks to the techniques which are taught in this Yes Plus workshop, my concentration in my studies has really improved. The studies that used to take 8 hours now takes only 4 to 5 hours. And as a result, I'm able to put that much more time in my table tennis. And from a district level player before, I became a national level silver medalist representing Mumbai University and Maharashtra State, which was always my dream. And all of these dreams really got fulfilled. The reason I want each and every youth to go through this workshop is because it gives from whatever we really want, it makes us achieve those.
I'm one of the persons from the creative bunch of lot. I'm doing my architecture, also work as a freelance interior designer. During my college days, on the pretext of being creative, I used to indulge in a lot of other activities. I used to get into dope and smoke up and alcohol and stuff like that. But when I was introduced to the Yes Plus course, the technique that were taught in the workshop, really helped me to become more creative, more original, enthusiastic, focused at the same time and relaxed, and there is always a smile, and I'm more of a team player. Earlier I couldn't work in a team. I want my friends to do it because, it really adds value to your life.
Hi, my name is Dhara Shah. By qualification, I'm a CFA, and by profession, I'm a SAP consultant. The one thing that I loved about the Yes Plus course, it's really practical. It makes your life very simple. Your friends will start envying you, and your professors will really be surprised, because they'll be surprised how in such a less time you're studying so much and getting so much more marks. I could complete the CFA course at one go. It's a very taxing course, and it also gave me a confidence to shift my career, like being a financial analyst to IT consultant. It's the best thing that you can do in your life.
Hi, I'm Pragya. I've been an international pistol shooter, and people say that practice makes one perfect, but for me it has been otherwise. After doing the Yes Plus course, with lesser practice I've been able to achieve much higher perfection, and even otherwise in life I've been able to achieve so much in all the different aspects, like communications and relations. For example, I had a very bad relation with my mother, and I used to really get all those wild thoughts. But now I can say that she's like a best friend to me. For me, the Yes Plus journey has been from shooting at to being shot at, and that's how I'm here.
My name is Taylor. I'm from California in the US. I first took this course 9 years ago, and I'm still coming back. You know why? Because it's the most inspirational, elevating experience that I have in my life. It augments every corner of my daily life, my inner life, I can definitely say that my confidence has increased, my ability to make friends and just be friendly has increased, my health has gotten better. I mean, it's inspired me in countless ways.